So when you get a SR, that means that it's going down. Okay, so SR means that it's switching red, so that's bearish movement, and the SR is always getting in on that candle. So this candle here, the 2 o'clock candle, is triggering the SR off of the 1 hour candle. Okay, so this entry is off of the top at the start of the market going down, and that means that we're only going to be looking for sell setups here. Okay, so I'm going to continue the replay and see what happened afterwards. All right, so this candle here at the open of this candle Monday, at 11 a.m. yesterday morning, my time, we had a sell signal. Okay, so since you have a SR and you have a sell signal off of the H1, you're able to go in the lower time frame and take entries off of the 15 minutes, because usually that's what we do. Or you could always keep get an entry off of the 1 hour and hold it on until the TP 1 or 2 and 3 is hit. Because usually when the signal comes in, usually it's almost near at TP1, depending exactly on the move. But for this example, it's already at TP1, so expecting to have a movement within those two boxes here. So continue. So we're still bearish here overall. Now we have another sell, and that one came in at the start of the Asian session. So as you see, this is near the end of the New York session open, and this is at the start of the Asian session. And as you see, we're trading GBP JPY. So on our group, I'll tell you exactly what is the sessions, the time for each currency that you need to have an entry in. So for GBP, all the GBP pairs, you need to set up your settings for the alerts between 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And for yen, it's from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so when you combine the two sessions, it gives you some optimal entries. Okay, so let's continue. So the first trade is still valid. Now you have another one that came in, and this candle here went to basically TP3 off of those two entries. Okay, so those two entries here, you're in profit, hit TP3, and you have another sell. So far, we didn't get another SG, so SG like this, telling you that it's going to reverse. So that means that this trade is still valid. So let's continue. And this is where we're at right now. Okay, so it did hit, it tapped the TP3 already. So if you have taken that trade here at London this morning, that was around I entered at 2:15. So I would be out of that trade at this point right now. Okay, but this is how we use EMXAI, and as long as I don't see a SG like this trade is still valid, and we're still going bearish. Right? And that means that if we go down on the 50-minute chart, the 50-minute chart entries here from London are still valid here. So it went up and now it's going back down. So it went to TP2 off of the 15, but it went to TP3 off of the 1 hour.